In the rainlit alley, the team unlocks the rusted gate of the Rainfall Hotel, where peeling wallpaper whispers a vanished era. Faded guest books and a grand staircase tell of a glamorous retreat that drew poets, spies, and travelers. Locals murmur of a hidden terrace bearing a map to a forgotten rail line buried beneath the city. As the camera rolls, cracked tiles and echoing halls reveal the neighborhood's forgotten echoes and the people who lived there. The finale invites historians and adventurers to uncover truths without disturbing these quiet memories.